Hi, this video is to kind of show you what we're looking at when we look at our training schedule and what's involved with the run walk log. So these are the two things that are come up every week, and this is basically the bulk of the course that we're going to be doing. So the first thing is that you'll see here is this training schedule, and you'll see a bunch of attached files. These attached files break it down by session. So we got session one. I don't know why it's out of order there, but session one, session two, and session three. These are optional if you want to use these, and what these look like uh, is they look like this. They're just these program cards that if you want, you can print them out and take them with you, and then mark them off as you go through each one of your things. So this first training session, you're going to be doing 7 intervals. Each interval, you can just like mark off each one. You don't need to do that. I just leave those. I give those to you for your own, um, use if you need them. What you're going to be paying most attention to is our training schedule. And so the training schedule, the way that it's set up is if you look here, we have our different sessions we're going to be doing through the week. And remember, we do 3 sessions each week. Um, the best way to do your sessions is to leave a day between sessions. So between sessions 1 and 2, have a day rest, and between 2 and 3, there's a day rest. That's how they're designed. I know that I know sometimes life happens and you have to double up on some sessions back-to-back days. Just note that as we get a little bit more into this, the sessions get a little bit more difficult, and you're really going to want those rest days in between. So make sure you schedule accordingly. The people that have the most success in this course do schedule their sessions ahead of time and do them on specific days every week. So whether it's like a Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, whatever it is, putting it into your schedule and making it part of your schedule is key for success in doing this. So here's how to read this thing. So right here we have our session number. So if session 1, we'll kind of go through. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to warm up. So if the warm up for this session is just 5 minutes walk at a moderate pace. So whatever that moderate walking pace is to you, that's what you'll do. After the 5 minutes of warm up, we're going to get into our actual thing. So in this thing here, or this column here, it'll show you what is our run walk cycle. What number of cycle repeats are we doing is right here. So this week you're going to be doing a 1 minute run, 2 minute walk. That's one cycle. So you'll be doing that 7 times. So when you go out, you're going to run for a minute. After the minute, you're going to walk for 2 minutes. Then you're going to run for a minute. Then you're going to walk for 2 minutes. Then you're going to run for a minute. You're going to walk for 2 minutes. And you're going to repeat that 7 times. So you go through that, run 1 minute, walk 2 minutes, and go through 7 times. After that, you'll have a 5 minutes cool down, giving our total workout time of 31 minutes. So these run walk things are going to start out with a little bit more walking than running, but it's going to amp up as we go through the week. So make sure we're getting these in. Don't be skipping stuff, and really trust the process here, the run walk process. Session 2 is a very similar thing, but note that you're going to be doing the cycle 5 times, so it's a little bit shorter workout that week, or that session. And then in session 3, it's the same cycles, but we're going to be doing 8 repeats, so it's going to be a little bit longer. This week, there's only 1 cycle each time. Sometimes that'll be different as we get a little further into it. So these will get a little bit more complicated, but this is basically how to go through these things. If you have any questions about how this works, please don't hesitate to reach out and let me know. The other thing you're going to be doing is you're going to be logging your sessions. So this is what you're going to be turning into me every week, is our session log. And so let's pull this down so we can see it. So within our session log, there's a couple of important different things. So you can see this is broken down into our 3 sessions, session 1, session 2, session 3. For each one, you're going to tell me what day did you run on. So just mark what day. So let's say I ran Monday session 1. I would put a mark right here in session 1. All right. For session 1, what modifications did you make? Let's say I did anything to the schedule. Let's say when I got to to 7 and 8, I wasn't able to run anymore, and so I just walked the last 2 cycles. So I would just put walked the last 2 cycles. All right. I just want to know what modifications you're making so that as we go through, you have a record of that. I think for the most part, you'll be able to go through them. And so if you don't do anything, you don't make any modifications, you can just put none here. All right. And then the last thing you want to do is after you're done for the week, I want you to reflect back on the week and tell me how did your experiences go? What positive things happened? What negative things happened? What are some things that went well? What are some things that could have gone better? This is your chance to just kind of show me a reflection on a recap of how the week went. Um, you need to have some stuff in here, please. Share with me some detailed information about how it went. Maybe the run was great, and I'm starting to find some different trails that I like running on. But on Wednesday, I got rained on, and that kind of sucks. So that was kind of a negative experience. Something to that effect. Something just recapping how it went for the week. All right. If you have any questions going forward, please let me know. When you finish these, what you'll do is you'll turn this in right here to this week 2 run walk log. You'll click in there, and you will it'll take you eventually to right here where you can browse your computer and upload that file. All right. The let's see if there's anything else we need for you in here. I think that's it. So if you have any questions, please let me know.